Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mini flan. This classic dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare and always a crowd pleaser. We will start by gathering our basic ingredients, like eggs, milk, and sugar. Then, we will create that essential golden caramel base. Remember to work quickly when pouring the hot caramel into your ramekins, as it sets quite fast. This first step is crucial for that beautiful presentation. Now, let's craft the creamy flan mixture. You will whisk together 4 whole eggs and 2 extra egg yolks for richness. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1/2 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. The key here is to slowly add the warm milk to the eggs, whisking constantly, which is called tempering. This prevents the eggs from cooking prematurely. Finally, strain the mixture for an incredibly smooth custard. With our flan mixture ready, it is time for baking. Carefully pour the strained custard over the caramel in each ramekin. We will bake these mini flans in a water bath, also known as a bain-marie, at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle cooking method ensures a silky smooth texture. Bake them for about 40 to 50 minutes until the edges are set. Then, chill them for at least 4 hours or even overnight for perfect firmness. The moment of truth has arrived. After chilling, your mini flans are ready to be unmolded. Carefully run a thin knife around the edge of each flan to loosen it from the ramekin. Then, with a quick flip, invert each ramekin onto a serving plate. The beautiful caramel will cascade down, creating a rich, sweet sauce. These individual flans are perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a delightful, elegant dessert at home. Enjoy every creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.